So I'll probably do it in parts. The first chord is a C7, right? You play it this way though. You play it without the bass note. So you play it with a G, like a G minor. There's a little grace note from the A. Okay, missed it there. And then the next note is an F chord, the A in the bass. However, you have this note here, which is not part of F. What is it? Just count up in the F scale, and you get it. So C7. I'm also going to be breaking down the theory behind it. So we're just starting from the last line. Usually in church, you have like someone play the last line to get the choir singing. So it's like, so C7. The Bible tells me so. And then so goes down to the F. What else? That's a C sharp. Sorry, it's an A chord with a C sharp in the bass to a D minor. So recap: G minor to an F chord with an A in the bass, F, G, C sharp. I keep saying C sharp. What I mean to say is an A chord with a C sharp in the bass, G to a D minor chord, right? So normally you would end it there, so the Bible tells me so. C7. But you find it very common in songs where they're ending it, they will like extend the last part of the song by going to the minor 6. This is common. This is not brand new. It's not inventing anything revolutionary here. So it's common. I do this well, I do this with any song really. Towards the end, instead of landing on the 1, you could go and land on the 6, walk down, and then repeat the last line. It's just beautiful. So we have here C7, and then that's like a what is this? An A minor to a D minor 6. So I will be giving you the exact notes, but you don't have to be note accurate as long as you understand the basic idea of what's going on. So let's recap and see for where we are so far. That's an F minor diminished chord here. Diminished chord F, A, C, E, F sharp in the bass. Again, standard operations here, because we're aiming for this -2, right? We're doing a walk up, a standard gospel walk up. We're doing a standard gospel walk up. So to land on the 2, we lead in with the F minor diminished. So let's go back a little bit. Now, so I know some people, especially beginners, will be wondering, why do you keep talking over the video? Just show us the note, show us the note. It's my understanding that those that are sort of learning this song are past beginner level and sort of intermediate level, because there's a lot of jazz lines you're going to be learning. I'd assume you know what the pentatonic scale is, or the relative minor of F is. The song is in F, by the way, in case you didn't notice. So because you know these things, I'm just there to kind of give you that higher level of knowledge, or just to fill in those extra blanks or things you might have not noticed while going through the song. So to a G minor 7, and then he outlines that G minor 7 to the F, but this F has an A in the bass. Okay. Then okay. to a G minor 9. So let's go over the whole thing and see if how we're doing so far. It's up here, right? Oh, that was terrible. Okay, so let me explain. G minor, outline the G minor, B flat, C, D, F, F, C. That's a C sharp with a chord with a C sharp in the bass. So use anchors when you play lines like this. So you want to land on the F with a D, okay? That's your anchor right there. So the first anchor is the left hand will be what you're anchoring to. So C sharp, you want to be hitting this right here. And then that's your next anchor. When you land on the F, make sure you land on the D as well. That's a G minor 9 chord, and repeat it at the bottom. So let's rewind that and go together. Sorry, I might have made mistakes there, especially with this section. With practice, you get it, all right. Next. So that's it's a G minor, F, B flat, C. Again, standard. We're walking. I don't know if you've ever heard that before, so that's what it reminds me of. Okay, so G minor, F, grace note to the D, and then grace note to the A, back to G. So okay, so you're the D minor, right? Get that part first. Anchors again. So when I hit the A with a C sharp, but I'm sliding from the B flat to the A. My other anchor is C on C. So, oh sorry, my bad. I'll do that again. Okay. That's C, D, G, A, B flat, A, B flat. So, okay, bit of a tough one there. So, yeah, let's keep going. And then the next part, again, it's gonna be a repeat. So no need to explain that. You've heard that before, right? That's it. G, A, C, and then a C7, right? Oh, sorry, not C7, C13. And then followed by that fluffy stuff. I love grace notes here. F minor, oh, F major 9, sorry, to an E minor flat 5. Slide to the C. Slide to the A. Repeat that. Then. So let's go. Okay. Then that's a B flat add 9. So so I hope I know I just like went like 100 miles an hour after that because I was looking at the time and I was noticing I'm running over 10 minutes. Try to keep my videos under 10 minutes. Get too long, it's not a good thing for YouTube. So I think we could leave it here for now. Let's just recap kind of what we got so far. Oh no, I think that's not right. Let me. Oh, I missed that. So I think that's kind of the idea. I'll leave it here for now, and I'll see you guys. Well, I'm signing out. I'll see you guys in another video.